So nice.
Yeah.
You want to throw this kid?
It depends. It's not
Yeah, my driver. Yes, yes, mashallah. Habibi. Can you do this? Sutan?
No.
Yeah, shoot the baby, shoot the baby, shoot the baby. Yeah, couldn't yeah, this is.
Serunya naik perahu bebek.
It's okay, baby. I'm trying to hold nicely. You are learning driving, huh? Huh?
So hard, babe. I think it's easier to drive the car here.
Yeah, drifting. Enough.
Hey, they have volume.
Yeah, drifting. Yeah, I like that.
Don't show me.
I don't care what you say. Okay, I don't care. We can delete this.
Do you want me to?
Maybe. Why not?
If we go with friends, babe, and then of course we'll like shoot.
Okay.
Well, we go that way.
Okay, drifting, baby.
Okay, this is also nice, but I think we can also show that we are driving this way, like from here.
Okay, just a little bit like this.
Okay.
Floating market.
Or you can also show yes.
Yes, of course. Can we stay here? There also I think.
Yes, I think, but not really.
Family's the crew, we ride it out. Nights are our playground, no doubt. Fast life, fast cars,
It's so nice.
Yeah.
How does it feel, the couple? You want to throw this kid?
It depends. It's not Wait, not
You
yet.
do not? No, it's too late, babe, too late. You will crash.
Not me, no.
fast life, fast cars, the street.
Okay, babe, throw here so it's better.
The king speed,
It's okay, baby.
bird in the street.
Yeah, my driver, yes, mashallah, Habibi.
Storm breaks the king speed in our veins. Fast life, fast cars.
Oh, and then, Torik.
No limits, no fear with the speed of
Oh,
Don't do it.
Tokyo
Let me
drift,
do
huh?
life.
You learn too fast, babe. I cannot handle this.
Oh, babe.
Can you do this to them?
No, babe. First you won't stay
Bird in the
with me.
street.
No, I don't carry. They give us water. Ah, babe, animal there.
Oh, that.
Okay, shoot animal. Sorry, guys. May Allah forgive us.
Good here.
I don't want Titanic.
See that you're showing me.
Yes, baby.
They said Japanese spot, babe, and then we can take pictures and surf on that. I think we also have to pay for that.
Of course, we should have to pay everything.
Yeah.
Oops.
They want wool. They want money.
Yeah, shoot the baby, shoot the baby, shoot the baby. With father, with father.
Oh, the duck is coming for you. The duck is coming for you. Quack, 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 quack.
Oh.
I can go back to the big duck.
Yeah.
of the eye.
What's the S? People mostly see his S. No, no.
Huh?
His S, babe? Most people see his S. Yeah, clearly his S. Yeah, this is target. Let's stop here, I think. With this is enough for us. You can, babe. Yes, look at his ass. Yeah, we should clean baby. You can clean it so big.
Oh, yeah, sure, right?
MashaAllah. This is baby diving.
Very careful.
Yes, I know. I don't want to spend 1.5k. Hey driver, I want to show this. My driver. Oh yeah. You are close to P driver. Where did you take your license, huh?
Take it like a few minutes ago.
Musalla. After this, let's pray, baby. So, babe, how is your day going?
So nice. See my hand? Yeah.
Setelah seru-seruan dengan perahu bebek, jangan lupa menunaikan ibadah sholat ya Dunsan. Sekian, dan sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.